Okay, in this screenshot we're going to be looking at volume of rectangular prisms. Okay, here we have a cube. This cube is a solid 3D shape. It is 1 centimeter cubed. That's what it looks like if you were to write that. Look at the shape beside it. We have 1 centimeter cube base, and also at this end there would be the top. So in this case, 1 centimeter cube. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cubic centimeters, because they're in cubes. Let's look at the rectangular prism on the end here. On the end, this is a rectangular prism. We know this because the base is a rectangle, and therefore the top would also be a rectangle. Now on the base, we have a surface area of 1, 2 and 1. So the surface area for this base would be 2 times 1. Surface area equals 2 times 1. Now, how high does this rectangular prism go? So from here all the way up to here, how many are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's going to be the surface area of the base. The formula volume equals the surface area of the base, so we'll do a capital B for base to say surface area, times the height. And the height, so in this case it'll be 2 times 1 is 2, times the height is 7. So volume would equal 14 cubic centimeters. Let's go back over the left and do this one. Okay, looking at the base and looking at the top. They're both rectangles, so it is a rectangular prism. The surface area of the base is 1, 2, 3, 4 times 1, surface area of the base. So surface area equals 4 times 1, so that equals 4 centimeters squared. Now how do I find out the volume? Just like before, we're going to go volume equals base with a capital B because it's the surface area of the base, times height. In this case, the base surface area is 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 high. So the total volume would be 28 centimeters cubed. Here's another one. Once again, this rectangular prism has a base. That's how we know it's a rectangular prism. And obviously the top of the rectangular prism is on that side that we can't see. So the base of this rectangular prism is 1, 2, 3, 4 long times 1, 2, 3 high. So that's 4 times 3, 12 centimeters squared. That's the surface area of the base. Let's fix that 2 up a bit. So how do we find the volume? The volume is going to equal big B for surface area of base, which is 12, times the height. So the big B is 12, surface area of the base, and our height is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 high, this rectangular prism. So therefore, our volume of this rectangular prism would be 84 centimeters cubed. So there is 84 cubic centimeters as a solid shape. Now here's one they haven't divided with MAB blocks. So all we've got to do is find our base. Here's our base. There's our base. And obviously at the other end will be our top. That's how we know it's a rectangular prism. First thing we do is step 1, surface area of base. So area, just like the good old rule, is length times width, which is, in this case, it's going to be 6 is the length times 3 is the width. So 6 times 3, which equals 18. And now we can do our volume. So volume is the area of the base times the height. The area of the base is 18 times the height, which in this case will be 5. So now we can work out the volume. 18 times 5 will be 90 cubic. Oh, sorry, that's not centimeters. This one's in meters. So it is cubic meters. There's our answer. That's how we do volume of rectangular prisms.